Hello everybody, Milo Airport Nation here, and today I'm back for another awesome video. Today I have 5 brand new NG model Southwest airplanes. I feel like I just had to kind of just go for it with these, because if you're going to collect a lot of any airline, I guess you just kind of have to go for it. It's the only way to say it. So we have 2 of the same registrations right here, and then we have 1 a different registration. So obviously all look the same, but the difference is this doesn't actually have the split scimitar winglet, it looks like. And these 2 do. And then we got 2 800s for the fleet here. This is New Mexico 1, and then Triple Crown 1. It's nice that they say it too, because it's easy to forget sometimes. But that's New Mexico 1. I've actually had my eye on this one for quite some time now. Finally pulled the trigger and got it. And then Triple Crown 1 here. So without further ado, guys, let's get these open and let's take a look. All right, guys, so here's Triple Crown 1. First off the bat here. Wow, what a beautiful aircraft here. I wish NG would do something with like stands. I think they make other stands though that hold the airplane a different way, so that's cool. I might have to get some of those then. But yeah, check it out, guys. Let's get a better view here. So here is New Mexico 1 in all its glory. A lot of detail on this plane here. Let me get my light back down here a little bit more. Alright guys, here's a good look at New Mexico 1. Turn it around here. I appear to misplaced my turntable here, so we'll have to just manually do it for today. Look at that, guys. NG Models is on top, guys. They're doing a great job. Bottom again. I love this heart part on the bottom. I didn't even know that was a real thing on this specific livery. Looking pretty good. I think most liveries have it. Antennas and details on the bottom here, guys. See that? Landing gear even has the colors on the outsides. That's amazing. So much detail going into this model here, guys. Look at the engines. Wow. NG Models has really outdone themselves, guys. All right, on to the next. All right, guys, next up we have Triple Crown 1. Check it out. Let's get a close look here. Wow, what a cool looking aircraft here, guys. Love the blue livery, plus the added detail here. Let's give it a little bit of a turn around here. Absolutely incredible. Split scimitar winglets here, guys. Let's take a look at the bottom here. Look at that detail, guys. NG Models on top here. Even got that, if you're going to tail strike here, you have that thing in the back there to prevent you. I can't even think tonight, guys. It's late. You guys have to give me a break here. It's a little late here. But yeah, a lot of cool detail on this one, guys. Check it out. Triple Crown 1, guys. Triple Crown 1. Alright, guys, next up we have November 221 Whiskey November. Here it is in all its glory. Little 737-700. Look how cute this little guy is. Wow, this thing is tiny. Absolutely tiny aircraft. I think Delta only has like maybe 2 of these left. Maybe not even 1. I don't know. These things are tiny. I'm surprised they're keeping these around. I hope they keep these around. I just bought a bunch of these, so check it out, guys. I mean, I love this livery on it. That's what I have to say. I think NG did a really good job at displaying this livery on this model. Southwest.com on the engines. They don't mess around with the liveries, guys. NG don't mess around. Look at this. I'm really impressed, guys. That's all I gotta say. The antennas on top, the wings, the engines, the details, the winglets. Look at this. That's all you need. Really cool, guys. On to the next. Guys, and last up we have November 269 Whiskey November. Alright, so split scimitar winglets here compared to non-split scimitar, I'll put it that way. Look at the detail on the bottom here. I know, really risky holding the tail here, guys, I know. I'm trying to give you guys a nice view of this plane here. Alright. Oh, sorry guys, that's better. Look at that. Wow. Look at that view of both of these. A lot of detail on here, guys. Trying to get better at showing you guys more details here. Wow. This is incredible. I love the color on the Southwest planes. NG did an amazing job with his livery, guys. I believe they always do. I'm just super impressed. So, hope you guys like it too. Excited to share this passion with you guys and to show you guys all the different airplanes here up close. All right, guys. Well, that does it for today. I'm not showing the other one just because they are the same registration and literally the same aircraft. So, you guys get the point, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video here. I will be also redeeming all the NG model cards that came with here. As you guys can see, there's like, well, obviously there's 5 of them. So we're getting a lot of points here. We're going to be redeeming the exchange model here for some awesome models from NG Models. So that's really cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video here. Just a quick update showing you guys these NG models, Southwest 737s. But until next time, guys, Model Airport Nation here. Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys, at Model Airport Nation. Appreciate every single one of you guys for the support here. We're growing this channel. We're growing the Instagram and the TikTok here, so it's going really good. I don't see any point of slowing down here, showing you guys awesome content, my airports, the planes, and everything. I think it's, you know, like some people have said, it's the time to be a collector right now. If you're collecting model planes right now, like even like I never thought they would even release a 767-400 to begin with here. Ever since like Herpa had their older one. So like it's the time to be a collector now, because I feel like sometime they'll slow down a little bit maybe, and you'll have all these amazing models now that are rare. So really cool, guys. Again, Model Airport Nation, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.